Mrs. Markham.
Hi. First of all, sorry for my English. I'm Italian, so my English is no good. My name is Marco Addis. I'm a bodybuilder pro, personal trainer, and a model and sport journalist. I started bodybuilding 23 years ago after injuries, and I did many competitions, but I think it's not important how many competitions I did, but my dreams for bodybuilding, to have just one bodybuilding, just one natural bodybuilding, and it's important to have this sport, in my opinion, the best sport in the world, is important in the Olympic Games. So thank you for the promoter for this natural competition, because it's most important testing all athletes and a clear sport. That's it.